was a little girl, I had the privilege of traveling to different countries with my grandparents. And one of the memories that I have was going to Austria after spending some amazing time in the conference center over there, Schloss Heraldeck. My grandpa and grandma took me by train into Salzburg, and we had this marvelous memory on the Mozart plots up there in Salzburg. And for years and years, I always thought about this fluffy yellow dessert treat that my grandpa and grandma got for us at this little cafe. And I could never find the recipe. I didn't know what it was called. And so I had been trying for a while to figure it out. Well, I thought when I landed on the German pancake that was a close variation, but then just yesterday, I went on YouTube and I found the recipe. This recipe is the Salzburg Nockerl, or Nockerl. I don't know how to speak German or Austrian or anything like that, so I don't know exactly how it is. But I remember when I was a little girl, I came to this cafe and they have this yellowish dessert in like these peak forms that reminded you of the Alps. And I'd sit there with my grandma and my grandpa and we'd eat this and just have such a sweet time in this place. You know, God used my grandparents so much in my life, and one of the things we're trying today is the Salzburger Nockerl for them. So Grandpa and Grandma, I am trying this recipe. So I don't have an oval dish, I have a round one, so we'll see how this does. Whatever. Be back in 10 minutes.